The reality is that our electricity costs too much, and we're renting our electricity, and there's really no need for it. I mean, we can turn around and produce every ounce of electricity that we consume as consumers, and be energy independent from the utility company.
Our initial investment, we were concerned about it, but our monthly utility bill, I couldn't ask for anything better. My name is Cory Barnard with Skogman Realty. I've been doing it since 2001, helping buyers and sellers purchase their homes and educating them with something like a solar project and anything else that could be done to educate them on making smart choices when purchasing a home. Van Meter and Jake at Rabe Hardware have been huge in helping me with this. Jake explained things to me better than any other company that I met with when deciding to do this project.
My name is Jason Rabe. I'm the owner of Rabe Hardware. We've been around 39 years. We're mechanical contractors that do plumbing, heating, electrical, geothermal, solar. This specific project with Cory and his family, we designed a system that would take care and support his needs, and partnered with Van Meter, who is our electric supplier for all the products we need, from the solar panels to the racking to the electrical gear for the interconnection. It's just a great relationship.
So I'm Ethan Walbrink, and I'm a renewable energy specialist. And what I do is I develop and come alongside of our contractor customers and show them everything that Van Meter has learned in the last 8-9 years in terms of the solar. So I get to do just that every day, and that helps me be the specialist that they need.
The experience was great working with them. I couldn't ask for anything better when it came to answering my questions. The guys that were on site were great. They were professional.
What Cory was looking for is to remove his utility bills. Just like buying gas at the pump, it's kind of the cost of living and the cost of doing business that nobody can do anything about until we have solar.
With this specific home, what we had was a design that needed about 12,000 kilowatt hours on an annual basis. The initial design then came out to 27 panels. They're 60 cell, all black, Silfab panels.
In this situation, we're using the most aesthetically pleasing products we can. So the black modules, the black rails, the clamps, to just make it all blend right into the shingles.
People are already wanting to know more information on it, so I'm excited to know that our small project is able to have more of an impact than just our home. Potentially we can have more people doing this and helping out, going green, using renewable energy instead of our natural resources.
The number one incentives that give wheels to these types of projects are federal tax credit. Today that's 30% of the install cost. That's not going to be that way forever. It has a scheduled expiration date, and it's going to step down over the next 4 or 5 years. Here in Iowa, we enjoy a 15% rebate. That's a state tax credit. So if you're thinking about buying solar and you think, let's just say it was $10,000, I'm going to get $4,500 either back from the IRS that I'd paid in, or if I pay in at the end of the year, I just no longer owe them the $4,500. And then beyond that, generally for a homeowner, is just your savings, or the way I like to put it, energy I'm not buying any longer because I'm making it myself. So that savings is then going to accumulate and pay off my system. I think Cory's here's was about 5 years when the system had just ultimately paid for itself. And then after that, you can either think of it as free energy, or you can think of it as it's making you money.
Our monthly utility bill, I couldn't ask for anything better. We're basically paying $10 a month in a service fee that would be an extreme cost during the summer. I know a lot of people in the neighborhood that are having $200 to $300 bills, and ours are staying the same at a low cost. So that is very satisfying to know that we made the investment and it is paying off.
This project has been online now for about a year. With the 2760 watt modules, we've produced a little over 11,000 kilowatt hours, which right now is covering about 86-87% of his need. We're saving him just about $1,600 a year on his annual utility bills, and every time the utility company increases prices, his savings obviously go up. his payback on this entire system is only about 5.5 years, and we're only 1 year into it.
The neighbors are actually very jealous of our utility bill when we start talking, at the neighbor's pool or, just neighborhood get-togethers, and, people are complaining about their utility bill during the heat of the summer, and, we're able to say, hey, ours is still down at the service fee, so that's great.